Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see, the big candle down on the 24th, on Tuesday, was basically a inability to convert the weekly pivot. And you can see the consequences of the inability to work to convert the weekly pivot. You had the hard move down. I mean, there were some external factors that helped, but we go down and we do 16. They give it a bounce yesterday. They take it down again off the open and go ahead and do as low as 1125. So this 10 to 16 area in the bigger picture is support. They took it up off of there, finished near the highs, printed more highs in the overnight. They pulled it back nicely to the hourly mid-band and held that. So what you want to do now if you're the bulls is you want to make a higher high. You want to progress. The bulls can progress all they want. They have to deal with two areas. They have to deal with the daily mid-band, which is sitting up at 2652, and you can see that it's already interacted with it a little bit here, and it acted as resistance. So it's got to get up over the daily middle band. Then it has to deal with monthly pivot and weekly pivot. Can it do that directionally over the course of the last couple of days of the week? Sure. Am I a little skeptical? Yeah, just because the bulls have not done a good job of finishing and converting key areas. So the first battle we have to deal with today is the battle of 2652, the daily mid-band. We'll see how that turns out. And then on a failure there, on a break of the daily pivot at 2635 quarter, if you're the bears, you really got to keep making lower lows. You have to keep the pressure on. So it's, neither side is really taking control. The bears certainly can't figure out the 200-day. Plenty of opportunities to do so, right? So at this great big long-term inflection point, the dip buyers are still coming in. Whether that lasts remains to be seen. But the first task is 2652. Then we get up into 79 to 83, and you're dealing with a number of moving averages, 100, 9, 50, as well as the monthly pivot and the weekly pivot. All right, everybody have a great day. I will be traveling tomorrow, so no webcast. I will catch everybody come Monday. Sorry about yesterday. I was on my back with the flu, something awful. So I apologize for no webcast yesterday. Everybody take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.